When you search for restorod, it's always muscle cars with LS swaps. Synergy Manufacturing did more than a swap with Jeep's original muscle car. Life for this 1971 Jeepster Commando wasn't easy. Dave Schlossberg, president and CEO of Synergy Manufacturing, came across it when he was searching CraigsList for a new project. He wanted to showcase their products and purchased it for $2,500. Unfortunately, it needed a lot of work to make it look passable. No, this frame didn't come from another wrecked JK, nor did they salvage one. They called up their local dealer and ordered the frame straight from Jeep. You can do this too, just be prepared to shell out about $1,200 or more. However, they needed to shorten it to fit the 101-inch wheelbase. Even as you crawl under it, you can't tell how it was done. With the metal already cut up to fix rust, the body was further modified to fit the larger 35-1250 R17 Nitto ridge grapplers. Once the body was finished, it was sent to San Luis Auto Body in San Luis Obispo, California, and sprayed in firecracker red. The custom front bumper houses a set of Baja Designs LED lights, with their Squadron R's flanking each side of the Warren Industries Xeon 8S winch. The rest of the front body is old Jeepster, but the Be Cool custom radiator hints at what's lurking under that classic Jeep grille. Open that Jeepster's hood and you'll find the GM Vortex 6000 LQ4. Fitment required extra sheet metal work done to the firewall, but as you can see, it was well worth it. A custom straight intake leads to the GM factory intake manifold. The engine was basically refreshed on the inside by Roslin's Performance, but the heads were replaced by a better flowing set from Texas Speed and Performance. Rocking their valve springs open is a Thule Racing camshaft, and the hooker headers send those spent gases through a custom side exit exhaust. In front of the Optima red top battery is a Switch Pro's SP8100 system to control lights, fridge, AccuAir onboard air compressor, and other switchable components. Making sure to keep with the updated but classic appearance, the interior was fully redone using the original seats with custom leather. Even the doors are still factory with roll-up side and pop-out quarter window glass. Sitting in the driver's seat, you're greeted by a wood-rimmed Grant steering wheel on a Flaming River steering column. The classy-looking gauges are modern autometer parts, while an Alpine audio system installed by Drive Customs tries its best to drown out the roar of the LQ4. The double diamond stitch on the seats was done by San Luis Auto Interiors. It may appear to be a manual transmission, but has a low car shifter with matching transfer case shifters for the Advanced Adapters Atlas II. Stock JK Rubicon Dana 44 axles are used both front and rear, even retaining the stock electronic lockers with 410 gears. The front axle has a Synergy Manufacturing truss spanning to each spring seat. A nitro gear front cover adds strength over the original Dana 44 front cover. A Synergy Stage 3 suspension system is used on both ends of the chassis, with Fox Racing Shock steering stabilizers smoothing out the motions of the Synergy heavy-duty tie bar and high steer kit. A set of RCV axles axle shafts offer more steering angle and strength over the Dana set. Torque is sent from the transfer case through a pair of JE reel drive shafts. Proper ride and height are accomplished by a combination of Synergy Manufacturing 3-inch springs and Fox Racing Shock's 2.5-inch diameter shocks. Protection of critical components like the Tilden Motorsports oil pan are all done by Synergy Manufacturing skid plates. Even the Gearstar custom-built GM 4L80E and Atlas II 4.3 transfer case gets protection from the rocks and trail debris. Moving to the back, while also admiring the custom wheel Ventique smoothies and Nitto tires, we find another stock Rubicon Dana 44 and Synergy truss system. The Synergy Stage 3 kit includes an adjustable track bar and relocated mount for the axle. Heavy-duty shock mounts also allow the longer Fox Racing 2.5 shocks to fit properly under the modified JK frame and Dana axle. You'll also find another nitro gear differential cover and just see that Synergy gas tank skid plate protecting the custom fuel tank from Tanks Incorporated. While Camaros, Mustangs, Challengers, and even the odd Model T will get the restorod treatment, it's great to see something different. The truck and Jeep worlds need more builds like this. Old trucks with off-road and hot rod modifications like the Synergy Jeepster Commando deserve the same attention. I think the world needs more builds like this, and hopefully we'll see more. Like content like this? Support Carbage online on Patreon, sponsors, and by buying shirts at our Teespring store. Links in the description below.